In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect domain in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll be able to send anyone who types your domain straight to another website, which is perfect for rebranding, consolidating sites, or pointing an old domain to your current homepage. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website, then sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner, click your account name, and choose My Products. This is where all the domains you own are listed. Find the domain you want to work with and select it. When you see it, click Manage to open the settings for that specific domain. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Domain. Click it to open the domain details and options. Next, locate the forwarding area and choose Forward Domain. This is where you'll tell GoDaddy where to send visitors. In the field labeled something like Where are you sending your domain? Type the full destination URL. Be sure to include the correct protocol, like HTTPS, so the redirect is accurate. For example, you could forward to https www.youtube.com, but replace that with your actual target. Double check for typos, and avoid creating a loop. Don't forward a domain to itself or to a URL that immediately forwards back. Now choose the type of forwarding you want. Permanent, also called a 301 redirect, is best when you're making a long-term move and want search engines to treat the new destination as the primary location. Temporary, or 302, is useful for short-term campaigns or maintenance, where you plan to remove the redirect later. Forward with masking keeps your original domain showing in the browser's address bar, while displaying the destination site's content. Use masking cautiously. Some websites don't work well inside a frame, and it can affect SEO and certain site features, like logins or embedded content. When you've entered the URL and selected the type of forward, click Continue to save your changes. You should see a confirmation that forwarding has been added. Changes can take a little time to propagate across the internet, often just a few minutes, but in some cases it may take longer, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Once it's saved, visit your domain in a fresh browser tab or an incognito window to confirm the redirect works as expected. If something doesn't look right, revisit the forwarding settings to correct the URL or switch the redirect type. That's it. Your domain is now redirecting through GoDaddy. Thanks for watching, and happy forwarding!